Will you go to work tomorrow?
Yes, I will go to work tomorrow.
Will you eat breakfast in the morning?
Yes, I will eat breakfast in the morning.
Will you drink coffee later?
Yes, I will drink coffee later.
Will you read a book tonight?
Yes, I will read a book tonight.
Will you watch TV this evening?
Yes, I will watch TV this evening.
Will you exercise tomorrow?
Yes, I will exercise tomorrow.
Will you cook dinner tonight?
Yes, I will cook dinner tonight.
Will you clean your house this weekend?
Yes, I will clean my house this weekend.
Will you go shopping on Saturday?
Yes, I will go shopping on Saturday.
Will you visit your family next month?
Yes, I will visit my family next month.
Will you take the bus to work tomorrow?
Yes, I will take the bus to work tomorrow.
Will you listen to music while working?
Yes, I will listen to music while working.
Will you play sports this weekend?
Yes, I will play soccer this weekend.
Will you study English tomorrow?
Yes, I will study English tomorrow.
Will you walk your dog in the morning?
Yes, I will walk my dog in the morning.
Will you water the plants later?
Yes, I will water the plants later.
Will you go to the gym tomorrow?
Yes, I will go to the gym tomorrow.
Will you call your parents this weekend?
Yes, I will call my parents this weekend.
Will you work from home next week?
Yes, I will work from home next week.
Will you check your email later?
Yes, I will check my email later.
Will you drink tea in the afternoon?
Yes, I will drink tea in the afternoon.
Will you take a nap after lunch?
Yes, I will take a nap after lunch.
Will you go for a walk in the evening?
Yes, I will go for a walk in the evening.
Will you cook breakfast on Sunday?
Yes, I will cook breakfast on Sunday.
Will you read the newspaper tomorrow?
Yes, I will read the newspaper tomorrow.
Will you go to bed early tonight?
Yes, I will go to bed early tonight.
Will you take your kids to school tomorrow?
Yes, I will take my kids to school tomorrow.
Will you go to the library next week?
Yes, I will go to the library next week.
Will you attend a meeting at work?
Yes, I will attend a meeting at work.
Will you write in your journal tonight?
Yes, I will write in my journal tonight.
Will you visit the doctor next month?
Yes, I will visit the doctor next month.
Will you travel for work next month?
Yes, I will travel for work next month.
Will you eat out this weekend?
Yes, I will eat out this weekend.
Will you go to the movies on Friday?
Yes, I will go to the movies on Friday.
Will you play video games tonight?
Yes, I will play video games tonight.
Will you take vitamins tomorrow?
Yes, I will take vitamins tomorrow.
Will you visit friends this weekend?
Yes, I will visit friends this weekend.
Will you attend church on Sunday?
Yes, I will attend church on Sunday.
Will you go to the park this weekend?
Yes, I will go to the park this weekend.
Will you bake cookies tomorrow?
Yes, I will bake cookies tomorrow.
Will you wash your car this weekend?
Yes, I will wash my car this weekend.
Will you play an instrument later?
Yes, I will play the guitar later.
Will you paint tomorrow?
Yes, I will paint tomorrow.
Will you knit tonight?
Yes, I will knit tonight.
Will you go fishing next weekend?
Yes, I will go fishing next weekend.
Will you garden this weekend?
Yes, I will garden this weekend.
Will you go hiking next month?
Yes, I will go hiking next month.
Will you swim this summer?
Yes, I will swim this summer.
Will you bike to work tomorrow?
Yes, I will bike to work tomorrow.
Will you volunteer next weekend?
Yes, I will volunteer next weekend.
Will you recycle tomorrow?
Yes, I will recycle tomorrow.
Will you drive to work next week?
Yes, I will drive to work next week.
Will you take public transportation tomorrow?
Yes, I will take the bus tomorrow.
Will you attend a class next semester?
Yes, I will attend a class next semester.
Will you wake up early tomorrow?
Yes, I will wake up early tomorrow.
Will you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I will make my bed in the morning.
Will you brush your teeth tonight?
Yes, I will brush my teeth tonight.
Will you floss your teeth tonight?
Yes, I will floss my teeth tonight.
Will you use social media later?
Yes, I will use social media later.
Will you check the weather forecast tomorrow?
Yes, I will check the weather forecast tomorrow.
Will you pay your bills online next week?
Yes, I will pay my bills online next week.
Will you go to the bank tomorrow?
Yes, I will go to the bank tomorrow.
Will you take your medication tonight?
Yes, I will take my medication tonight.
Will you wear glasses tomorrow?
Yes, I will wear glasses tomorrow.
Will you wear a watch tomorrow?
Yes, I will wear a watch tomorrow.
Will you use a computer at work tomorrow?
Yes, I will use a computer at work tomorrow.
Will you answer emails tomorrow?
Yes, I will answer emails tomorrow.
Will you attend a conference next month?
Yes, I will attend a conference next month.
Will you participate in a meeting tomorrow?
Yes, I will participate in a meeting tomorrow.
Will you write a report next week?
Yes, I will write a report next week.
Will you use a planner tomorrow?
Yes, I will use a planner tomorrow.
Will you take breaks at work tomorrow?
Yes, I will take breaks at work tomorrow.
Will you drink water during the day tomorrow?
Yes, I will drink water during the day tomorrow.
Will you eat lunch at work tomorrow?
Yes, I will eat lunch at work tomorrow.
Will you bring your lunch to work tomorrow?
Yes, I will bring my lunch to work tomorrow.
Will you go out for